following an understanding between officials of IOCL Transporters Association and POL LGP TT's Drivers Association, along with additional DGPLO at 11:30 a.m. yesterday, the agitation of closing down retail outlets of petroleum products, denouncing the attacks on oil tankers and assault of drivers has been called off with immediate effect, and fuel outlets have started reopening from today. Following the understanding, agreement was reached at 4 points, which includes deputing of senior officer in Nungba area to conduct operation and coordinate movement of convoy along National Highway 37 by the Manipur Police Department, enhancing security of vulnerable areas by deploying additional MR, IRB personnel to prevent attack and illegal collection of taxes by anti-social elements on the drivers' vehicles of the IOCL, LPG, TTs, and sensitize CRPF and other security personnel deployed along the National Highway 37. A total of 122 petrol tankers, 92 diesel trucks are all set to unload the petroleum products at the oil depots beginning today.